Listen to the one that glistens, to the one that always completes his missions. Sucks, bro. They keep going with my stream, bro. But let me check Amazon to see what my stuff is. I'm gonna get set up ASAP. Wow, what happened to my beat, bro? Package is out for delivery. Look at Apple. Look at the SPY. Look at the Qs. And look at Soxel. They're all looking pretty identical. And NVIDIA as well. Look. But look at AMD. Identical as well, but looking a little more bullish. Only because those things were still red. This thing was already green and bouncing up, crossing over the 9. But look, like AMD is too high, bro. Like, grab some for the long term. Like, if you're going to grab some AMD for the long term portfolio, when it was down there at 50, bro. And I said it when I told you that I grabbed some. I don't want to grab too much though, because even though we've been seeing a lot of bullishness, bro, like, I feel like we're still in a bear market. This bullishness that we're seeing is just bear market rallying at least until we can get, when the inflation data comes out next month, and if it's still like going lower, then you'll see some bullishness come back in for real. Look at the SPY and the Qs and Soxel. AMD has put in a nice bullish pattern, bounced decent off of VWAP. The next candle opened above the previous candle, which also happens to be on the 9, which is pretty bullish. NVIDIA tried to sell off a little bit, but previous close acted as a support. Only thing that's hurting it is it's rejecting off the 9. It's a long wick up there, rejecting off the 9. And we're going into this dead time, bro. Actually, we're already in it. Bro, it's because I got started trading so late. The price action, but I'm not going to lie. Lately, there's been some price action during lunchtime. There's been some volatility. You know, they change it up, bro. Once everyone gets hip to the game, or like hip to certain strategies or, you know, certain indicators, they switch it up. And that's what I mean by you have to be able to adjust always. The only way you do that is by continuously working on your craft. Now my Trizzy, my Apple Trizzies are up 7.5%. Now 8%. So but we're looking pretty bullish right now, right? If you look at the overall market, like the SPY and the Qs, here's the beat that I was looking for. And then even Soxel tried to break down, bounced off of VWAP, candle opened above previous close and based. But if my Apple Trizzies get back up here, I'm just gonna go ahead and take profits. All right, look, Apple's back up there. It's not quite as high as it was, but look at Soxel. That's a bullish pattern. Look, higher low, crossing above the 9. So that makes me think we might be able to see something a little different this time. I think I got let me make sure I got a separate microphone track. All right, look, the Trizzies are up 10%. But look, that thing look like it want to break out. They're taking profits. But look at them green prints. Go with those green prints. Look at those green prints. The green and white. Look, it's breaking above that level. Look, the 149.11. Look, we're above it. Now the Trizzies are up 12. Look at the SPY and the Qs though. Look, we've been up here before though. It's looking like we're looking a little more bullish. Look, 172,000 shares, 200,000 shares. Look, making new highs. Up 12% on the Trizzies. I feel like I should just lock in profits. Look at the SPY though. I'll let it run as long as when the Qs get up here to previous close, I know that's definitely going to be a level. It's going to be a resistance. Look, the Qs are like made a new high. Ugh. Damn, why didn't I take the 12%, bro? That's something I need to work on. Like, I get to my price target, and then because I got to my price target, it like gives me more confidence that I'm gonna be even righter and that it's gonna run more. And that's why I find myself not getting out at max gains. But look, we're like trying to base on that level right there, the 149.11. Look, they were just back up. Look, up 10%. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take profits. Whoa. Almost just did a spread or something, bro. I would have been pissed. 10%. Let me out. All right, locked in profits on Apple. So now all I got is Soxo left. I'm 2 for 2, bro. Look, soon as I took profits, that the SPY just ripped and made a new high, and so did the Qs. It's all good though. You can't be mad for, never be mad at yourself for locking in profits, bro. Cause I still got this thing in the game, bro. This bullishness makes me just want to stay, like, let Soxo run, bro. But look, this is where I'll say right here is gonna be your persistent resistance. 1333. Look, I got out of Apple like at the top of this range. Look, see where all those wicks are at? But really, I feel like the real resistance is here. 149.10. Like, Apple's above that right now in basing. If it can hold this level in base long enough, like, it can at least get up to previous close. And I want to say the market's looking very bullish right now. Look at Tesla. Look at Soxo. I'm at Success. It's the inverse. Look, bottom of the range, trying to crack. Top of the range, trying to break out. Look, there's the actual like inverse, bro. Look, you see that wick? That's this wick.
That's a good one.
Look at Nvidia. Came down the previous close, bounced, crossed back over the 9, and now we're back inside this range right here. And AMD is just looking bullish as hell, bro. That thing hit the bottom of the range down here and never looked back. And that's why I say, like, you feel me? Let the range set in. So this would be about, 5-minute chart. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes, half hour after market open. You just wait, let the range set in, bro. And then make your trade. You feel me? That's what you gotta do, man. Alright, look, Soxo. So we're running into resistance. But notice up here where the previous close for the Qs, I just seen a flash. That means a dash is coming. I'm so hot. When I come around, dog, a rash is coming. What they eat, dog? A crash is coming. I'ma crash your shit. I'ma smash your shit. Excuse my French. I got a tool, dog. It's not a wrench. Always been a starter, never rode the bench. I've been at the top and the bottom and the trench. Like, I'd hate to see this thing rip right now after I just close it out. Look at Dwack, bro. Dwack's freaking doing something, my guy. But anyways, it's your boy E, coming at you with some finance solutions. If you learned anything or found value in the content, don't be afraid to hit the like, sub, hit the bell, and get the hell over to my Patreon and Discord to sign up for that daily morning briefing and watch list, which gives you that edge, brethren. Peace.